Hello traders, in this video we'll be looking at the only one trade a day indicator for MT4. We'll look at how this indicator plots trend direction arrows on the chart and what they imply about intraday buyers. I'll load the indicator on this chart now so you can see what it looks like in real time. Don't forget to allow DLL imports so the indicator will work on your chart. On the MT4 chart, the only one trade a day indicator plots colored arrows directly above or below price candles to show potential trend direction for the day. As we can see over here, with this blue arrow below the price action. Typically blue or green arrows highlight a bullish bias, while red arrows highlight a bearish bias, giving a simple visual cue for the current directional signal, as you can see here. Because the logic is built around a moving average based trend filter and a one trade per day concept, the chart will not be cluttered with constant signals. Instead, you'll see occasional arrows that mark where the indicator has detected a qualifying shift or continuation in trend for that day's sessions. And let's move over to its settings. If we move over to the settings, we can see its faster mode, which controls the type of fast moving average the tool uses to detect short-term trend direction before plotting an arrow. The faster MA period defines how sensitive the indicator is to recent price action or changes on the fast line. We have the slower mode, which sets the type of slower moving average used as the higher level trend filter, and the slower MA period controls how smooth and conservative that slower trend line is, which can reduce noise but also delay arrows. If we come over to the colors, you can see the 0 for the bullish arrow color and 1 for the bearish arrow color. Who is it for? The only one trade a day indicator, MT4, is suitable for day traders and intraday swing traders who want a clean, arrow-based visual of trend direction and prefer to focus on a limited number of signals, often just one structured setup per day. Is a visual and analytical aid only and does not execute trades or manage positions for traders. Its moving average logic can still produce false or late arrows in choppy, sideways, or news-driven markets, so additional confirmation from price action, support and resistance, and risk management is still required. You can find the indicator in the download link in the description below. For more details, examples, and supporting tools, make sure you check out the Forex Gig and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future indicator breakdowns.